Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. After that, scroll all the way down and click on Font Style. Finally, you can select the best one for you by clicking on it. Check out Preview above, and to save the chosen one, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!